Welcome to SoftwareLinkers Ghana. In today's tutorial, we are going to look at how to assign fee to students or parents. So before you can assign fee to students, you have to watch our previous video, which was about setting up the fee system. Okay. So to assign fee, when you log into your system, you will navigate and click on cash in. So under cash in, before you assign fee, you have to come under fee settings and then set up your fee structure, set up your standard fee, and then your payment methods. You have to do that, and how to do all of this is captured in our previous video. So when you check in our YouTube channel, you see a video with the title how to set up fee or something like that, to show you how to do the fee preliminary setup before you can come and assign fee. So to assign fee, when you are here, you click on the cash in, and then under fees assignment, before you can assign your fee, you have to create an invoice so that you will assign the fee on that invoice. So to assign fee, first of all, we have to create our invoice. So when you come under cash in, you come to invoice and then you click on new. So when you click on new, to send you to the invoice page. So here we have about 7 fields. So we have the first field is invoice or term name. What is the name of the invoice, or what is the name of the term? So with the invoice, you can set monthly invoices or terminal invoices, or even daily or weekly invoices. But it will be recommended that at the beginning of each term, you create an invoice for the whole term rather than creating the invoices monthly, because some of the fee you will assign it 1 month and then the payment will exceed the month. So it will be recommended that every term has its invoice. That's why we have invoice or terminal name. So here is supposed to be the name of the invoice, and maybe it is recommended that it is for the term. The name is the term name. So let's say first term 2022. Let me assume that this is the name of the invoice, because this invoice is for the first term 2022. So invoice date you are issuing the invoice. When are you issuing the invoice? So you choose the date you are issuing it, and then validity date, how long do you want the invoice to take? So maybe this will be to the end of the term, the day that the term is going to end. I think that should be the validity. Or if you are making it monthly, then the validity should be the end of the month, or the date, any date that you want the invoice to end. Although it's recommended that you make it monthly, but based on the way you run your school, you might want to make it otherwise. So here it's just supposed to be, when do you want the invoice to be valid to, like when should the invoice expire? So let me make it Friday 30th December 2022. Due date, when do you want the invoice to be due so that you can use it to bill parents? So the due date, it depends on the date between the day you start to bill parents and the day you are creating it. Let's assume that you start to bill parents tomorrow, you are creating the invoice today, so the date it should be due should be tomorrow, 24th August 2022. I'm making it on 23rd, but let's say from tomorrow onwards I'll start to bill parents. So the due date is going to be, when do you think you start using the invoice to bill parents? So you make the due date. Fee month, from which month is the fee starting and where is it ending? If it's monthly, you make it to be monthly. If it is termly, you make it to be termly. So fee month, from it will start from today and then it will end on December 30th. It's almost like the invoice date. How many months is in between? Fee months in number. In between the date you are issuing the invoice and the date the invoice will expire. So this is November, this is October, November, December. So I'll say that maybe that is 3 months period. So when you are done like this, then you just hit on add. So it means that we have created an invoice called first term 2022. So before you can assign fee to parents, you have to create invoice. So after creating the invoice, you come back to cash in and then go to fee assignment. So here you ask yourself, which type of fee are you going to assign? If it is monthly fee, you click on this. If it is occasional fee, you click on this. If it is individual, you want to assign it to one student, not all the students, one student, you click on this. So we are going to assign a fee to one student. We have only one student for the demo. We are going to assign it to one, and we'll go through how to assign to all. So if we come to assigning fee, monthly fee, you will just click on this. So right now, as you can see, at this column, we don't have any monthly fee. We didn't create any monthly fee. That's why we don't have any monthly fee. If we just have any monthly fee, you will click on it and then assign it to all the students. So let's now try the other assignment type. We have occasional fee. We click on occasional. So we have some occasional fee. Tuition fee is an occasional fee. Transportation fee is an occasional fee. Feeding fee is an occasional fee. And examination fee is an occasional fee. So based on the type of fee you are going to assign, if it is one fee, you click on it. If it is more than one, you click on it. So I'm going to assign tuition fee. So I'll click on it. Which class are you going to assign the fee to? If it is all, you just click on check all, and then all tuition fee will be assigned to all the classes. If this is a specific class, you will untick all the classes and then mark only the class you are going to assign. So I'm just going to make it check all. It means that I'm assigning tuition fee. Let me add one, maybe a feeding fee. I'm going to assign tuition and feeding fee to all the classes. So when you are just done, you click on assign occasional fee. Column ID does not belong to the table. Fee assignment successful. So we have assigned tuition fee and feeding fee to the 01, class 1, JHS1, and then ECHS1. So this is how we assign occasional fee. So in case you also want to assign fee to only one student, under fee assignment, you come to assign individual fee. So here you will either type the roll number of the student, the family ID, the name, or you will search the student by class. So let me search the student by class. Let me go to class 1. So when I come to class 1, you see all students in class 1 will appear. Only have one student in class 1, which is John Doe. So I'll click on the student. Which of the fee do I want to assign to the student and how much? So let's assume I want to assign examination fee to this student, and the examination fee, let's say it is 50 cedi. You just make it examination fee, then you choose the invoice that you are going to use. So I'm choosing the October to December invoice. Then you click on assign. So action successful. It means that we have assigned examination fee to the student called John Doe in class 1. So this is how you can assign all these fees. When you come under cash in, you can assign monthly fee. That is, if one of your fee is a monthly fee, when you click on it, it will appear. Then you assign it to the students. If you are going to assign occasional fee, this is where you go to assign all your occasional fees. If you want to assign individual fee, maybe you want to just bill only one student, or one or more students, but not to all the school. This is where you come to assign the fee. So I think that is all about the fee assignment. In our next video, we'll look at how to collect fee from students. Thank you very much for following through.